Welcome back to Mr. Hussein's class. We are going to study and learn a new topic today, which is called scientific notation. As we know, in scientific investigations and calculations, we deal with very, very big numbers and also really, really small numbers. And there are more chances that our calculation would go wrong when we put all these numbers on calculators. Therefore, scientists have adopted a system which is called scientific notation. They have really shortened the big numbers to small numbers. Are you ready? Let's proceed. They decided that by using powers of 10, they can create short versions of long numbers. How? There are certain rules we will be obeying when we are learning scientific notation. To be in proper scientific notation, the numbers must be written with number between 1 and 10 and multiplied by a power of 10. 23 times 10 raised to the power 5 is not in proper scientific notation. Why? Because there must be a decimal after first digit. Let's practice some examples. This is a number and you see 137 millions. There are 6 zeros with it. The rule says when we are converting this 137 millions into scientific notation number, what we gonna do? Place a decimal after first digit. What is first digit here? Is 1. So after placing a decimal after 1, count all digit after decimal. How many are they? 6 zeros, 1 is 7, 1 is 3. So altogether they are 8. So how I would write? I would write 1 decimal 37 times 10 raised to the power 8. If you got any question, you may write in comment section. Now I want you to try these numbers. The first one, 347,000. Remember the rule. Place a decimal after first digit. First digit is 3. 3 decimal 47. Count all digits after decimal. Start counting from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer would be 3 decimal 47 times 10 raised to the power 5. Another example, 902 million. Where would be decimal? First you try before I reveal the correct answer. Okay, here. You see decimal after 9 and count all digit. If I start counting from 0 after 9 and go up to last 0, they are 8. So the correct answer is 9 decimal 02 times 10 raised to the power 8. 61,400. What would be right answer? Decimal after 6 and count all digit. They are 4. So the answer is 6.14 times 10 raised to the power 4. Convert these. Now we are converting backward. They are scientific notation and I want you to convert them into standard notation. First step, in scientific notation we had placed a decimal after first digit. Now I will remove that. So it should be 123. Power was 5. Exponents is the proper word for this power. So what's the exponent on this number? 5. So 123. So after decimal I have to find 5 digits. How? So 1.23 2 are 2 and 3. And how many 0? 3. So the answer should be 123,000. Now this one. Remove the decimal. It should be 6806. The exponents of 10 in this number is 6. And 3 digit after 6 is 806. Therefore, my answer should be 6806 and 3 zeros. Clear? Now try this one. 4,000, easy. Now there is only one digit, one significant digit. Therefore, no need to put decimal. My answer would be 4 times 10 raised to the power 3. 2.48 times 10 raised to the power 3. Now change it into standard. So 248, 2 digits, 4 and 8. How many 0 I have to put? Just 1. Next example, 6 decimal 123 times 10 raised to the power 6. Remove the decimal, so it should be 6123. So 3 digits already we counted, 1, 2, 3. How many 0? 3 more. So 6123 and 3 0. 306 millions. Now you have to change into scientific notation. Place a decimal after 3 and count all digits. So it should be 3 decimal 06 times 10 raised to the power. Yeah, yes, you're right, 8. So this is scientific notation. Remember that. I'm giving you really big number. This is the Earth's mass. How many 0? Now you can imagine if you put this number on calculator multiplying by another number, how difficult it would be. So what are you going to do? Place a decimal after first digit, 5.9736, and count all digits after decimal. So how many zeros are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. But we will start counting from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So what should be my answer? 5.9736 times 10 raised to the power 24. See which number is simpler, the first one or the one I just have written. My answer. Okay. US has a total of 1.2916 times 10 raised to the power 7 acres of land reserved for state parks. Write in the standard form. How you write? Remove the decimal. So 129.16 and there is 7 exponents of 10. So it means 4 digit 2916. See here, 4 digit are already after removing decimal we have counted. So how many 0 more? Total power was 7. So it should be now 3 0. So it should be answer is 12916 and 30 acres. That's the answer. So simply that's way we multiply, we divide. But if number is really short, what we gonna do? Still there is scientific notation. How? 10,000. Easy. 10 raised to the power 4 or 1 times 10 raised to the power 4. 1,000. Easy. 100. They all are easy. But you see the pattern now. 1 power of 10 was 0, 1 0 became 1, 2 0, power 2, 3 0, power 3, and 4 0, power 4. Now the smallest number. if number is smaller than 1. For example, this one, 882. But before 882, you see there are three zeros. 0.000882. Rule is still the same. Decimal after first significant number. What is first significant number here? 8. 8. Now count after decimal. How many are they? 8 and 2. 8.82. Time, again, time by 10. Now I would count from the place where I have put the decimal. Where I have put the decimal? I have put the decimal after this 8. Right? So count. This number is smaller than 1. So I will count on my left hand side. So 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4. But this time my exponent would be with negative sign. 8.82 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. Remember, you can use your calculator to change into scientific notation. Okay, let's try this example. 0.00000059, decimal after 5, and count from 5 to 0. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer should be what? 5.9 times 10 raised to the power minus 7. Similarly here, 4 times 10, and count from 4. 4, 0, 1 is 4, so it should be minus 5. So now you can try these examples. You can take picture. I'm not solving it, just to save some of your time, and you try by yourself. And if you are stuck somewhere and you come up with questions, do not hesitate to come back and write your question in the comment section. A red blood cell is about 0.00008 meters long. What is this in scientific notation? So decimal after 8, and this number is smaller, so therefore exponents would be with negative sign. So 8 times 10 minus 501 is 8, so it should be 8 times 10 minus 6 meters long. So this is a short story. Let's wrap up this topic with another example. A ribosome, another part of a cell, is about 0.000000003. So 3, first significant number. All these zeros are non-significant. So 3 times 10. Count from 3 and all 0. And this is smaller than 1. Therefore, the exponents will be with negative sign. So there are 8 zeros and 1 is 3. So it should be 3 times 10 minus 9. That's all for the day. And we would be learning how we use scientific notation in calculations. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.